What's going on, guys? This is Jennifer, and today I'm going to take you through a gluten-free vegan brownie recipe. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more recipe videos. And you can download this recipe for free at fitbyjennifer.com. Without further ado, let's dive into this recipe. The ingredients we're going to be using today are just egg, vegan butter, brown coconut sugar, Splenda sugar blend, vanilla extract, gluten-free all-purpose flour, cacao powder, pink Himalayan salt, baking powder, dairy-free dark chocolate chips, and walnuts are optional. First, we're going to melt our butter, so we're going to grab a small bowl and we're going to add in a half a cup of the vegan butter. Then we're going to microwave it for 30 seconds. Next, we're going to grab a bowl and we're going to add 6 tablespoons of just egg. Then we're going to add our melted butter. And a cup of our coconut sugar. A cup of our Splenda mix, and a tablespoon of vanilla extract. We're then going to mix this all together. And place it to the side. Next, we're going to grab a bowl and we're going to sift our gluten-free flour. We're going to be adding 1 cup and also a cup of our cacao powder. Then a half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We're going to sift this into the bowl just to make sure all the chunks are dissolved. Does that make sense? Chunks are dissolved. I found it easier just using my hands. LOL. Now we're going to add our sugar mix into the flour base. We're going to add just a little bit at a time so that way it's not messy. We're going to mix it all together until it's fully incorporated. Now we're going to add our dark chocolate chips. I'm not adding the full cup because I want to use the leftovers for the top, as well as a half of cup of our walnuts. Then we're going to fold it into the batter. Next, we're going to grab a pan with parchment paper. Then we're going to pour the batter. After, we're gonna add our leftover dark chocolate chips, and we're gonna bake in the oven at 350 degrees for 32 to 35 minutes. Once our brownies are fully cooked, we're gonna let it chill for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then we can cut up our pieces. I found they were best to store in the fridge in an airtight container. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Until next time, peace.